Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video, we will continue our topic and create PDF using the values from the input. Okay, so in the last video, we have created this print invoice method and we will continue from this. So here you can see we need to use this date and time pattern using this date object, and for that we need to create two objects for the pattern. So first we need to create string date pattern, and date pattern is dd mm yy. Okay, so this is the pattern, and create simple date format object. Simple date format date pattern format. Date pattern format equal to new simple date format, and here put date pattern. Okay, same for the time. Again create string HHMMA. Okay, now simple date format time pattern format. Time pattern. Now let's come to the print invoice object. Create a method pdf document my pdf document. PDF document, same paint object. So paint my paint equal to new paint. Okay, so first we need to extract the values from the database, and for that string columns invoice number comma Okay, so these are the columns. Now create cursor object cursor SQLite database dot query. Table name is my table. Columns is columns, comma, put null all this, and next null. Okay, now we need to move the cursor to the last. Okay, so that we can get the latest values. So cursor dot move, and where we need to move, that is last. So if the cursor has 5 values, we need to move to the 5th place. So cursor dot get count. Okay, if the cursor has 2 values, it will move to the second. If cursor has 5 values, it move to the 5. Now we need to create PDF. So first, page info, PDF document dot page info, my page info, dot builder, and width will be 1000 in this example, comma 900, page number is 1, dot create. Okay, and another object is page. So PDF document dot page, my page, my PDF document dot start page, and my page info. Okay, another object is canvas. So canvas equal to my page dot get canvas. Okay, now we are ready to put the content on the PDF. So the first is this Awadh restaurant, my paint, my paint dot set text size, and text size is 80. Canvas dot draw text, position is 30 80. My paint. Okay, so this is the first, my paint dot set text size 30 this time, and this second line, my paint. Okay, my paint dot set text align. Align is right. Canvas dot draw text. Canvas dot get width minus 40. Okay, so this is the gap, that is 40. Y value is 40. My paint. Now this value we need to get from the database. So canvas dot draw text string dot value of cursor dot get int 0. 0 means first position in the cursor, comma canvas dot get width minus 40, comma y value is 80. My paint. Again make the alignment left. Copy, paste, left. Okay, now we need to create rectangle. So first set the color. My paint dot set color. Okay, canvas dot draw rect 30, comma 150, comma canvas dot get width minus 30, comma 160. My paint. Again make the color black. My paint dot set color, color dot black. Canvas dot draw text date, position is 50, 200. My paint. Now we need to get date from the database. So canvas dot draw text date pattern format dot format cursor dot get long and the position is 3. Position is 250, comma 200. My paint. Same for the time. Canvas dot draw text time my paint dot set text align. Now this time pattern. So time pattern format cursor dot get log 3 comma canvas dot get width minus 40 comma 200 my paint. Again make the align left. My paint dot set color, we can just copy from here. Canvas dot draw rect 30 comma 250 comma 250 comma 300 my paint. Set color, white. Okay, now get the name from the database and first set the color black. Cursor dot get string and the position is 1. My paint. Okay, next is phone. So canvas dot draw text phone. My paint. My paint dot text align is right.